How to solve and fix TikTok rewards not working. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So let's get into the video. First, go to settings, go to apps and find TikTok on the apps. Tap on it. Then on storage, tap on clear cache. Then go back, tap on force stop, tap OK. Next, go to Play Store and find TikTok. And if there is update button instead of this open button, update it to the latest version. And that should fix your problem. And enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.